Let me show you a quick unboxing of OnePlus 15. I'm gonna show you what we can find inside, what accessories do we get, and how it looks like. So let's get right into it. Let's just unpack it. There we go. Over here we have our paper box. And of course we have our phone. There we go. We're gonna of course move to the phone a little bit later. First, let's see what we got inside this paper box. So, in this case, there is nothing at the back. We can just open it like this. And here we got everything. There's also, wait, there's one more thing. There we go. So, as you can see, in this case, we have the SIM eject tool. We can also find the USB cable. It is USB-A to USB-C. So, still not USB-C on both ends. And just some papers, like the quick guide and the safety guide. So nothing really special. Unfortunately, no charger in this case. This is the European version, so of course there are no chargers included anymore. And let's take a look at the phone itself. There we go. This is how the phone looks like. I actually went with the dark color. At the top, we have speakers and a microphone, I believe, unless this is the IR blaster, but it doesn't look like it. I'm gonna try to examine it, but yeah, but it actually feels like a microphone. I might verify that in a second. On the left side over here, we have this plus key or side key, which we can use to activate a couple of different things depending on what we actually set up. By default, it is the Mindspace, of course. On the right side, we have volume buttons and the power button. Let's take a look at the bottom. We have the USB-C port. I believe these two dots are microphones. We have the SIM tray, and of course speakers in here. And at the back, of course, we have the island with cameras and the camera flashlight. So we have 3 cameras in total. The back feels really nice, the back cover. Really smooth. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.